my baby. She looks so good. What is going on, YouTube? We are back with another video. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Well, we are on the way to meet up with some people at Walmart because we are going to Import Alliance today at the Atlanta Motor Speedway. So I guess I will pick back up the camera when we get closer. Probably pulling into Walmart. I'll pick back up the camera. Gonna get us something to eat. Just enjoy the day. It's gonna be a POV / vlog kind of day. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? But anyways, pick back up the camera when we get there. And now blue, you gonna get pulled over. Yeah.
Yeah, hell yeah. Blue light, you pay your shit in.
What's up, Mr. YouTuber?
I got.
What's up, man?
Woo!
Go ahead and pop that hood, boy.
Oh, lost the street. What's up, man?
Mr. Fast Guy. I want to be like him when I grow up.
Put them over there.
I don't know.
They just had a roll fast.
Cruise with us if they want to. Mr. Fast Guy.
Got my car ticket already.
Alright, as y'all seen, we got Dada in front of us and Quay in the BMW, as y'all see right there. Big turbo, you feel me? I need to put a turbo in this car, y'all. Oh, pause, no copyright, no copyright. No, I'm getting left behind. Oh, you weird. Go, bro, go! Go! Oh my God, bro. Let's see. I guess we're gonna get some rollers of them. I was trying to focus right there. That's why I got real quiet, because people be doing some dumb stuff, man. Y'all hear the turbo on that thing, man? Y'all see Big Day in the track key, y'all know. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, the cops is out today. This is the third pullover we done seen in less than 10 minutes. Really less than 5 minutes. They pulling over everybody. Pulling in the Import Alliance, y'all. Feels good to finally have my car done the way that I like it, coming to a car show rather than something being awfully wrong with it. road is very bumpy. This joint sounds so good. They letting people in. I'm pretty the line pretty long. I'm already knowing. Oh, R33, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it. That's clean. That G is clean too. Oh my God, it popped like and drop it.
Infield?
Infield.
Stay the right lane.
Infield.
This is amazing.
And now we wait. Oh, we about to enter now, y'all. Just waiting on the line. So you're gonna wait about, what time is it? Let's see. About an hour of waiting. Oh, not too bad. Maybe less than an hour. Wait. No, we just sit out here talk. Time goes by fast. Y'all see that right there? I don't know what that is, what BMW that is. But I like that G up there. That color on that G is hard. Big nasty, y'all see it? Go, y'all. We finna drive and do some more waiting. You feel me? Some more waiting. Give him a little pull, you feel me? Quay car sounds so good, bro. I'm gonna get a review video on that car one day. One day, y'all. I don't know how bad the window is, but I ain't rolling these windows up. Smells like drifting. Oh my God, the wind. Phone's a little close. Somebody hit one. I know Day feel like he in a very enclosed spot. Quay gonna do in the tunnel, y'all. To the back of me, bro.
How we doing, man?
Good. Appreciate it.
Just make sure when you put that on, don't put it on too tight.
Yeah.
Because it will not release.
I got you. I got you.
Other than that, you're good.
Got you. Appreciate it.
Clean.
Appreciate it. Yeah.
I don't even see them in man.
Hey, they rare.
That shit fire.
Appreciate it. Gotta get a little red blimp. Ride the clutch a little bit, let them know. Wonder where a parking lot, where we gonna be able to park at this year, man. I want the car to be seen at least. See, like the other show, it was more of this parking lot, this parking lot, this parking lot, and the other parking lot. And then a few import alliances ago, it was this parking lot, that parking lot, this parking lot, and that parking lot over there. So you could park in the grass if you wanted to. Even though it's pollen season, you just wipe your car down real quick, you feel me? Even though when you come back to the car, it's gonna be more pollen on the car, but it is what it is. But I'm gonna pick back up the camera when we get back rolling. So I guess we're gonna see where Quay wanna park. Ooh, SC300, y'all. I gotta go look at that. They got the hood pop too, probably big single turbo. Gotta go see that. We're gonna see where Quay wanna park at. And that guy that said the car looked nice, the guy that said the car looked nice, that guy right there with the G35, he looking at the bad side of the car that when the wheel fell off the car, the side skirt and everything messed up over there. He's looking at that side. He called it clean. So look at the driver's side and then you'll see what's clean for real. Quay calling. Hold on. What's up? Hello?
Where the hell should we park it?
I have no clue. I think this parking lot closed right here.
I know, yeah. I'm trying to go to the next because I don't want to park this out late, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I want the cars to be seen at least.
Yeah, like people going to the right, but I ain't trying to go all the way over there.
Right. I think that's too far. Let's see this parking lot down here. I wish they would let us park in the grass again.
Yeah, like up there.
Yeah. But I don't think they're gonna let us do that right now, at least. I mean, we can always come move the cars later if we really want to.
Yeah. Or up there on the fence, you remember how they used to?
Yeah, I remember that.
That's what I'm saying.
I think the goal next year is to get the cars into the actual show.
Alright, man, we can do that. I'm cool with that.
Okay.
Yeah, they didn't just to this park spot up there, so we'll be able to, hopefully we get a park together.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright. So we're gonna be parking in this parking lot up here. Hopefully we get towards the front of the pack so the cars can actually be seen, you know what I mean? But like I said, talking to Quay, we can always come back and move the cars later if we really want to. Cause what are they gonna do when everybody's parked? Like if it's free parking spot, go park in it, feel me? So the car can get a little bit of attention, seen a little bit, feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna pick back up the camera. I'm gonna be on my phone when I pick back up the camera. So y'all be getting content from the phone. Y'all, we end up parking away from everything so the cars will not be seen. No. So we back. Just picked down the GoPro, picked up my phone as a camera. They parked us in some trash parking. Y'all see? And parked him over there, parked me over here. Trash parking. Where the S chassis is gonna be. All out here.
All the JDM cars.
S15, y'all. Oh, 2J swap. Got a 2J in it. S13. S13 LS swap, y'all. See, I want to build something like this, man.
This is a proud build right here.
This, bro. The S14 right here. It's gonna sound good over there. I like these. S14, yeah. I like these, man. Got a Celica, y'all. I think it's on bags. Gotta be. Cause ain't no way you riding like that. TRD steering wheel. Oh, it's an automatic though. It's clean. Got all the... See, I was gonna do this manifold on my car. Heard me, Quay? I was gonna do this manifold on my car. But they say
mine gonna look like, but mine's not that like polished shine. It's like a brush.
yeah.
Mine's like a brush color.
They say these don't make as much power as the stock ones though, which is weird.
The upgrade one don't make more.
Yeah.
More power than the top one.
It's like a restrictor kind of. You just put the LS manifold on them.
You can do that.
Yes, that's what Tay doing. He got an LS manifold on his. R35.
Sun and LS working together.
Nah, not really. It's just they make an adapter for it.
What's all of that?
I think that's it. Cooler. Look like antifreeze though. That tank. Yeah. 350Z. Is this what's his name's car? I think I know who this is. The old ones, I can't do it, bro. I can't do it. It's not ugly, but it just ain't me. Nice right there, man. I like this blue though. G80, GTR. I like them wheels though. What, G80? Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, this is what I want. I want an E90. E93. This series. Look at this, y'all. This is just clean, man. I want one of these for the V8, man. Look at them on the Workmeisters. Workmeisters. Staggered setup. Feel me? Clean, man. DCT, man. Type, not Type R, but a R. Yeah, Workmeisters. It's so clean, man. I want one so bad. Man, y'all see the color on this thing? Purple is hard. Look at the hood, man. Oh, you got white guts on them. Mercedes. See, I need to get a car in here one day. I could put the Altima in here. I think people would love it. But now it's hidden. I don't like that. Got all the GTRs down here. I'm guessing it's a GT. Yeah, I told you, GT. It's probably a GT2. GT. You can tell by the front bumper. Feel me? If it's a R34, like I forget what they call it, the Nismos and all that, the front bumper gonna be different. But these are just regular GTs right here. Yeah, we finna go in there.
Yeah, we should have parked here.
Yeah, it's $100 to park in here though.
Here?
Yeah.
But they sell out too though, don't they?
Most of the time. But they can always make a spot. I follow them on Instagram, bro. She's supposed to be a model. 2J swap RX-7. I ain't never seen this before. That's something different. I ain't gonna lie, I don't like that front bumper. I don't like them wheels either. That's ugly.
I seen this last night. This one got in it.
What?
LS.
In this?
Yes.
Oh wow. I ain't gonna lie, these are clean.
They took the 2J out.
I don't know how I feel about that.
This is good.
You like these? I like this car.
And they running too.
Yeah. They got Type R motors.
The inside and all hard. So nothing about the Type R.
Nothing about the Hondas. They make like 3 something from factory, but they light. That jacket is hard. I don't even know what this is, bro.
They mafia too.
I know. This your speed, Quake. There go your BMWs. I built R32, twin turbo. Right, when I get my YouTube up and everything, I'll make hats like that. I think that's so hard, bro.
A lot of people take the Bass Pro Shop.
Yeah. It's smart though. Nah, cause it ain't Bass Pro Shop. Yeah. It's clean, y'all. Evo X. Woo! Got all this stuff around here, but I'm probably gonna buy a ship boot or something, so I'll pick up the camera when we get there. Yeah, Banner Boulevard, y'all. RWB, y'all. Oh, I think I didn't find the best car out here. I'm looking at, I hope it's a manual, bro. I am in love with these cars. I have grown into wagons. I have grown into wagons. Oh, and it's a manual.
bitch.
No, it's on bags.
I was about to say.
Yeah, it's definitely on bags.
Time right here. I was about to say, man. It's A-type time right here.
Look at this barrel though. He's lit. It's like a bubble. Y'all right here that I will want. Gonna do a little cinematic for y'all. The meat ain't really been that much, but we're in the second parking lot right now. Just getting we're gonna just record what's in here. T4 Dodge Neon. Then we got these cars right here. I want one of these. I think this is gonna be the next car, y'all. This ain't an SC300. This is a Sora. It's a Sora, y'all. Cause it's right-hand drive. That's how you can always tell. So it is only about 3 o'clock. Meet ends at 6 to 5 o'clock. I am currently by myself. Everybody is gone. Yeah, but everybody is gone from the meet. So I guess we're just gonna walk around, watch some drifting until it's time to go. The boy's a loner boy out here, you feel me? It's all good. Hey, if you don't want to tear nothing up, come over here and go down. Okay. And then go down there so you don't have to go over the bump. So y'all?
Make sure you get the merch. Hold up.
See that? Turn around over. Yeah. How you doing?
Make sure you get my car too. Yeah. I'll put some
big ass boat.
shoes on this mug.
Yeah.
Yeah. Opportunity. Have you come back and see what this place was built for?
Trying to run it.
When we're going through the turns at 60, 70, 80 miles an hour, keep in mind that the drivers, when they're racing on this track, will be going through the turns at about 180, 185.
That shit is fine.
You won't be doing that today. Everybody ready to have some fun?
The lights.
That shit hard, boy. That shit
Okay,
hard.
anybody got
Ask him,
one?
can I have his car?
There we go.
Oh, and he on the saw blades. I guess it's a bad time to say I gotta pee.
Very bad.
It's okay. I'm gonna hold it.
I'm trying to make
in the back
this
seat.
quick, but I have no control over that.
Oh shit.
Y'all ready?
I get you.
Oh my god.
Track mode.
What the fuck? We are fucking sideways.
Rip this motherfucker. What you think? What you think?
I don't know.
What you think?
I don't know, bro.
Should I do it? Should I do it?
They go it.
Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. I get kicked out. Fuck it. Fuck it. I pay my 50 just like everybody fucking else. no
Now
attention.
that Mustang passed them. All three of them passed them.
Yeah, finally. I just said, fuck that shit, bro. Y'all ain't making me waste my experience again.
If y'all are here to the end of the video, thank y'all so much for just supporting, you know what I mean? Even if y'all skip through a little bit, it's all good, I feel you. Everybody's attention span, not the same, but it's all good. I just want to say thank y'all for like, commenting, and subscribing. And stay in tune with the videos. If y'all like this, go ahead and leave a comment saying y'all like the video, you know what I mean? 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 I don't know. But anyway, next video, or some of these videos, we just picked up some caliper spray. So it's a little sneak peek of what color it's gonna be. First car is purple, you feel me? Well, it's white and purple accents right now in the interior. And then the green is gonna be on the outside, you feel me? But anyways, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.